Let's grow our imagination with learning a little bit more about imaginary numbers. And we discussed what is I. I is radical of -1. And in my previous videos, I have shown how I square becomes -1. I to the power of 3 becomes -I, and I to the power of 4 becomes simply 1. So we will use this information to calculate I raised to the power of 37. Let's make it 37, or we can go ahead and make it 39. So we will try and write this in terms of multiple of 4. And why? Because I to the power of 4 is 1. So let's break it down into multiple of 4 and the remaining power. Now I raised to the power of 36 is I to the power of 4 times 9. And I to the power of 3, you can either leave it like that if you remember this, or you can further break it down. I to the power of 4 is 1. 1 raised to the power of 9. I square is -1. And I would be just I. So this will give you 1 times -1 times I, or I as your final answer. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more math related videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe Math Easy. Bye.